We hope you all are fine in this pandemic. Beta, today we are going to perform an important activity, that how you will prepare a base magnesium hydroxide in laboratory. So before starting the experiment, we must know what precautions, what kind of apparatus, what reactions will take place. So today we are going to discuss small description about magnesium hydroxide. Then you need some apparatus like this: magnesium ribbon. Beta, this is our magnesium ribbon. Spirit lamp. To burn this we need spirit lamp. Watch glass. To collect the sample, to collect the ash of magnesium oxide in this watch glass. Indicator strip, that the magnesium hydroxide is a base. Indicator strip will turn blue when you will put a drop over it. Tongue. To hold magnesium ribbon we need tongue and test tube. For preparing solution or for preparing base we need test tube. Okay, so what kind of reaction will take place? Magnesium ribbon is burned in the presence of oxygen. As you know, metals react with oxygen to form metal oxides. So our metal oxide means magnesium hydroxide will prepare. This will in the form of ash. Whenever we dissolve this ash into water, our magnesium hydroxide will be ready. How this experiment take place? Let us look a view. Beta, we must be very careful while doing any experiment in science lab. So what kind of precautions we must follow while performing this? Before burning, इसको जलाने से पहले, before burning magnesium ribbon, you have to clean it with the help of sandpaper. Why? Because a layer of carbonate will be deposited over it. To remove this carbonate layer, we have to clean it with the help of sandpaper. Do not look at the burning magnesium ribbon. When magnesium ribbon catches fire, do not look at this, because it is burned with dazzling white flame. Dazzling white flame इतनी bright होती है that it can harm your eyes. ठीक? To second number precaution. Now third last precaution, this: add small amount of water into magnesium oxide. Whenever this will burn, magnesium oxide will form. You have to add very small water into this. Okay? Do not add large amount of water. The large amount of water will leads to poor quality of magnesium hydroxide. So let us view what kind of experiment will take place. So dear students, let us start. Before burning this, we have to clean it with the sandpaper. Now we have cleaned it. Now hold it with the help of tongue, or you can take anything. Don't look at the flame. As you can see, beta, magnesium ribbon is burning with the dazzling white flame. Our ash in the form of magnesium oxide has been collected. So my dear students, this is magnesium oxide in the form of ash. Now what we have to do, we have to add small amount of water into this. So dear student, this is water and this is our magnesium oxide. Now second reaction will take place. I have add this. Now I am going to stir this. So our magnesium hydroxide is ready, beta. You can check this solution, check this base with two types of solution. Now I am going to tell you how this will work. This is beta red litmus. As you know, bases will turn litmus into blue color. This is blue color take place, as you can see, beta. If you are having indicator strips, you can use indicator strip instead of your indicator. So this is indicator strip. With acid it will show red color, with neutral it will show no change, and with base it will change into blue. So as you can see, blue color form, it means our magnesium hydroxide has been formed. So beta, you can filter this. To collect the filtrate, you can use filter paper and store it in your test tube or some beakers for further uses. Thank you beta, God bless you.